welcome to Orchard House. It is in North Petherwin, Petherwin Gate actually to be precise, and you've got the church up the road that way along with the school, and little crossroads down there which then takes you up to the main road or out to Waterloo Bridge. And the property here is detached and it's currently 6 bedrooms. There is some versatility with this property. You could easily make it a little granny annex from part of it, so we can tell you more about that if that's something you're interested in. So currently you've got a nice living room as you go in through the door behind me. You've got kitchen, diner, you've got our vendors work from home, so got a lovely workshop there and a toilet on that ground floor, and there's also an office on the ground floor as well, sort of under the stairs. And then, as I say, upstairs you've got 6 bedrooms. It's been extended over the last 10 years or so, and it is definitely a family home, or for a couple that need the space for their own business to work from home or with visitors. So have a look at the video, see what you think, and then book a viewing.